Hello, everybody. Hello, and welcome to the last ride. Hope y'all are doing amazing. Got a nice one for you today. We're going to go to probably one of the most difficult places to back into, and probably one of the most difficult places to unload as well. Um, First and foremost, do have someone to address with you guys. Um, for anybody who watched the first video, you mean so much to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me. Also, I do want to say I'm sorry. Uh, I'm sincerely sorry. The audio in that last video was absolutely horrible. Um, and I was not aware of that until I was already editing and had stuff pieced together and whatever. So when I heard and seen how bad it was, I was like, oh God, this is going to be horrible. Um, and I had to find a fix, so this is the fix. So the camera that I was using, which was a different camera, um, did just it was just the standard mic that come with it. It wasn't nothing special. At least with this being a Bluetooth mic, it kind of opens it up for me to be, well, it has more noise cancellation. So it clears and cuts out all the road noise and the engine and all this other stuff that you're hearing. You just get to hear me. Um, again, I apologize, but I was able to fix the problem, and thank you for bearing with it and getting through that video. With all that out of the way, let's go and let's have a day. have any comments, please by all means leave your comments down below this video. And each week that you leave me a comment, I'll answer that comment. I'll highlight your comment right here on the screen down below, and then I'll answer your comment in the video. All right, let's go get this sucker unloaded. All right, guys, that is it. We are done for the day, and we are headed home finally. Uh, Man, what a day! Hey, if you made it this far in the video and you want to see more content like this, I ask that you please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that like button as well. That like button helps me out a lot. I'm John. Y'all are amazing. Thank y'all for hanging around. This is the last ride, and I'll see you in next week's video. Over and